Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a colorful super striped coffee table, which is also an IKEA hack. And we're making the stripes with multicolored masking tape that I got from X-FASTEN. I'm going to leave a link below in the description. You are going to love the colors of this masking tape. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a super striped coffee table. Don't worry about painting the area underneath the masking tape. We're going to be covering that with colorful masking tape stripes. This colorful masking tape from X-FASTEN would be amazing for mixed media happy mail or for adding pizzazz to a wrapped gift. To make sure your masking tape stripes stay perfectly flat, spray your table with a layer of clear coat before you pour the resin. FAMOWOOD glaze coat resin is perfect for creating a glass-like finish on top of all of your furniture projects. I really love this stuff. I'm using a torch to pop the bubbles in my resin, but you could use a hairdryer. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this coffee table in the description below, and make sure to check out X-FASTEN. They have tons of really cool tape. You're going to love it, and I love this multi-stripe masking tape. I'm going to be using it in all kinds of projects coming up. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like them. I'm going to leave a link below for those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.